At Superior Cabinets, we're driven by a culture of continuous improvement, amazing customer experiences, and quality products.
We try to be innovative in what we offer, try to keep on trend, and have good offering of product. In addition to that, our production is state-of-the-art.
Our top priority on the shop floor is to deliver good quality product and to deliver on time and complete to our customers. We strive to improve daily, and we use lean technologies and continuous improvement techniques to allow us to just get better. We have employees that have been here over 20 plus years.
Superior has a really interesting culture with respect to design, innovation. What really is the cornerstone of that innovation is our continuous improvement methodology.
We have a passion for customer success. Each area, each component is responsible for ensuring that what they deliver to the next person is in fact a good or superior quality. We have made significant investment in our infrastructure. For example, the new flatline has been quite beneficial and drastically improved quality.
We have a consistency in our production process and our finishes and quality that we offer that can maintain and repeat the process so we can replace parts if needed. The consistency is very important. Kitchen design has changed dramatically in the complexity of what people are looking for in their kitchen, just through the internet and the ideas that are available to people.
The portfolio is vast. Color, wood, finishes, specialty items. The thing that's really important is the warranty, and a manufacturer that is around to service their product is really important. They rely on us to be there for their warranty and the lifetime of their product. So you really want to take a look at that when you're, selecting a provider.
We work with each other on how to come up with solutions for what customers are asking for.
It's how do we each get better every single day?
The experiences that our team members have has allowed us to generate solutions that I believe will take us on into the future and help set us apart from our competitors.